Good afternoon, learners, and welcome to Dr. D.R. Patil Vidyapit, a Center for Online Learning. I'm the program in charge for MBA Semester 4, that is July 23 batch. I welcome you all to this training session on how to select the project topic and how to submit the project report. So everything I'm going to explain in this session. So before I proceed in this session, please confirm in the chat box that my screen is visible to all of you and I am quite audible to all of you as well. So that anyone is having any problem of audio or video, you let me know. So please confirm in the chat box that I'm audible and my screen is visible to all of you. Yeah, visible. Okay. Yes. Thank you, everyone, for your response. So we will straight away start with the how to select the project topic and how to submit the project report through ERP. So first thing first, you need to log into the ERP portal. Log into the ERP portal by entering your credentials, that is your the user ID and password. So here I'm logging in as a learner. Click on to sign in. So this will land you to your dashboard. So here I have logged in as a learner. So now you can see on the left-hand side of your screen, that is the project upload. Can you see the project upload here? So click onto the project upload. Okay, this learner has been already selected the topic. Okay, I will log in with a different learner. Click onto the project upload. Again, this is also okay. I will choose another one. So now we are starting with the project topic selection and how to select your customized topic. So when you click onto the project upload, you will be landed into the into your dashboard, and you could see the upload project window. So here you can see that the project title is not uploaded as yet. So here you need to select the project topic. So you could see here there are two buttons. One is select project title, and second one is the type your own title. I repeat that. There are two buttons, that is select project title and type your own title. So if you want to select a title from the given list of project list, so now where you could find the project list topics, you could see on the top of the right hand side of your screen. Can you see that? A sample project report and guidelines. So there are two buttons. So if I have to see the topics given by the university, suggested by the university, click on to the project guidelines. So when you click on to the project guidelines, you could see the entire project guidelines is been given, that is visible to all of you, starting with the cover page, how the cover page should be formatted, Then the importance of the project, the meaning of the project, what are the steps in research project, what are the project report guidelines, how to select the topic, what should be the criteria, how to perform the literature review, what is research methodology, what is data collection, how to write the findings and discussion, and end up with recommendations and conclusion. And again, after that, we have again given the details about how to write the report, that is the project report. That is, what should be the first page, what is the format of the first page, what is the format of the certificate page, how the acknowledgement should be written, what should be the table of content, and what are the chapterization. So everything is been given in the project guidelines. I'm just showcasing you. So here, this is my cover page. That is the title page, which is printed on the cover page. The second page is the institute certificate. So the format is given. You just need to fill up the blanks. The third page is about the industry certificate. The industry certificate, now, if you have collected the primary data from the industry, then only this certificate has to be given. Otherwise, it is not mandatory. I repeat that if you have used the primary data, as we have written here, the following industry certificate format must be used in the project work report if the learner has collected the primary data from the industry only. And this format can be used to obtain a certificate from the respective organization. So if you have collected the data, that is primary data from the industry, then only this certificate has to be provided. Otherwise, you can simply skip the certificate if you are doing a project on the secondary data. After that, the next page is the declaration that is given by you as a learner. And again, here we have given the format. You have to write the declaration in the same format. You don't need to change anything here. The matter that what you need to write here is been given. So you have to give exactly the same. Just sign, write the date and name, and just you need to fill up the name. Everything, the matter remains as it is. Now, the next page is the acknowledgement page. Again, the acknowledgement page should also be written. This is the suggested one. If you want to write your own acknowledgement, you can write it down. After that, the table of content is been given here. Every project report should have this chapterization. It should be the same, starting with executive summary, chapter 1, introduction, in that company profile, general introduction of the topic, objective, scope, purpose of the study. The second topic is the third one is the chapter 2, that is literature review. Fourth one should be chapter 3, that is research methodology. Fifth one is chapter 4, that is data analysis. Sixth one is the chapter 5, finding and suggestions. So your chapterization is also been given in the index table of content, and your content should be as it is. You have to follow strictly this sequence, because the project guide is going to evaluate the project report on the basis of all these things. So you have to follow exactly the same table of content, the sequence of units or chapterization, we call it. After that, what should be the typing guidelines? Again, the guidelines are being given here. The number of copies of the project report, that PDF has to be submitted through ERP portal, and the physical copy, that is the black color hard binding and golden color embossing, should be sent through the courier or speed post to the university address. So you need to prepare 2 copies. One is the soft copy of the PDF that has to be uploaded on the ERP, and the second copy, that is the hard copy, that is golden embossed binded copy, should be physically submitted to the university. So I think it is clear that you need to prepare 2 copies of project report. One is soft copy and one is hard copy. Both are compulsory. Both are compulsory to submit to the university. That is soft copy as well as the hard copy. The page size, it should be A4. Page color, it should be white. Type of the page, it should be bond paper that we suggest. Left margin, right margin, the bottom margin, type margin, that is the type, font type, heading font size, subheading font size, text body font size, header, footer, total number of pages that you should remember is that it should have minimum of 70 pages, to maximum to 100 pages. That is the size, that should be the size of your project report. If your project report containing less than 70 pages, then it is not going to be accepted. I repeat that your project report should have minimum 70 pages, not less than 70 pages. So this is about the typeline guidelines of how to write, how to prepare the project. And after that, you will see what would be the criteria of evaluating your project report by the guide. So your project report should have all these elements. So on this basis, on the basis of the elements that is been given in the project report by you, the project guide is going to evaluate. Like, it should have a project title, executive summary. It should have the introduction. It should have the objective, scope, purpose of the study. It should have the literature review, research methodology, data analysis, finding and suggestions, conclusion, and bibliography. So everything that we have mentioned in the table of content should be given by you in the project report. Then only you will get good marks, because that is the criteria of project report. And again, the project marks for MBA, I repeat, the project marks for MBA is 200. Is of 200. So here, as a learner, what I should take care of here, that I should prepare the project report as per the guidelines that has been given by the university, by Dr. Patil University. And the learners must send the project hard copy to the Dr. Patil Vidyapith Center for Online Learning. And again, you have to submit the project report soft copy, that is PDF file, of the complete project to or through the ERP portal. And that project report PDF should be at least having 70 pages. And again, you have to send one PPT, that is the presentation of minimum of 10 slides. What is that presentation is all about? The presentation is all about your project report. What is the title of your project report? What is the objective of your project, of selecting this project topic? Then how do you have collected the data, and what data analysis method that you have used? What is the result of that data analysis, and your interpretation? So that should be contained in the PPT. Also, a project report along with the minimum of 10 slides PPT should be submitted to the through ERP portal. And after that, here we need to take care that as a learner, you have to avoid the plagiarism, because the project guide is going to check the plagiarism. Is going to check your project report for the content which has been written by the machine, or which has been written by using the ChatGPT. So avoid the plagiarism, and it is the responsibility, it is the onus of the project report guide or the examiner to he or she can generate a plagiarism report and they can send it to you. So avoid plagiarism. So now after that, we have given the possible list of project topics for every domain. For example, for marketing management, you could see here, we have given round about 52 topics. For human resource management, we have given about uh, 61 topics. For international business, we have given the topics about 20. For financial management, we have given the topics about 51. So it means that for every domain, for every specialization, we have given enough number of project titles that will help you to select a project topic that is suitable to you, that is convenient to you. So here you can select any project topic which is relevant to your specific domain. So that has been given in the project PDF file, which has been provided in your dashboard. So here, when I want to select as a learner, I want to select the project topic from the institute given list. So here I am selecting it. So here I select the brand equity in select uh, FMCG products in Mumbai city. So after that, you can see that here, it will asking for the confirmation that are you sure you want to select this project title? It confirms. Why confirmation is required? Because once you select the project topic, later on you cannot change. Later on you cannot change in any case. So when you are selecting a project, do research for that topic, understand the requirements of that topic. What are the requirements of that topic, selecting that topic, and how do, if that topic is suitable for me, is it suitable for me as per the requirements of the project title? If it is not suitable, then I will not select that topic. So here you need to, you can check all the topics here, going through the guidelines, and in that you will find all the topics. You can research, you can study on the topics, and you can select the topic which is suitable to you, which is feasible to you. Why? Because once you select the topic, after that it is very difficult, impossible to change the topic later on. So that's why it is asking for the confirmation that are you sure you want to select this topic? If I click on yes, then only it will move, it will proceed. If I select no, then again it will, I will be again I will be I will come back, and I have to select the other topics. So here I am selecting, I am clicking onto the yes button. So now the topic has been selected. Now as soon as you click onto the yes button, you could see that in your dashboard the topic that you have selected is brand equity in select FMCG product in Mumbai city. So now after selecting the topic, what is my responsibility, or what is my task as a learner? So my task is go to the guidelines and check the steps. What are the steps in research process? First, I have selected the project topic. Now what I have to do? Next, I have to define the research problem and project objectives. What is the problem that I want to solve through the project, through this project topic? And what are the objectives of doing this project, particular project topic? So that you have to define. After that, you need to design the project plan, that we call it as a research design. So in research design, we need to select how you are going to collect the data, what would be the sampling techniques, what would be the mathematical the function mathematical algorithms that you want to use to analyze the data. And after analyzing the data, once you apply the mathematical functions on the data set, it will give you the result in terms of numbers. So you have to interpret those numbers. And you have to write the interpretation of that mathematical result. So once you do that, then you have to write your findings and your suggestions and bibliography. So this is the normal process of doing a research study-based project. Now see that the learners from the AIML background, Suppose that the learner from AIML background or business analytics, they want to develop an application. They want to develop an application, that is software application. So in that, for those learners, the steps would be somewhat different, because in their case, they are not solving any solving any research problem, isn't it? They are, of course, they have selected the project topic and they are developing the software application. So when I'm doing a software application project, then what, as a learner, what is my responsibility? What is the next step? Once I decide on the selecting the project topic, my next step would be, I have to find out what are the alternatives, what are the alternative tools are available to develop this software application. So once you select on to the requirement analysis, after that you need to find out the alternative tools. Once you select on to the tools, then you have to design your application. You have to design your application. I'm talking from the perspective of the learners who want to develop a software application. These are the steps for the learners who are doing their project as a research study-based project. They are not developing any software application. Okay, this is them. I'm talking about the learners who are developing the software application. So for them, what are the steps? The first step is selecting the project topic. The second step is performing the requirement analysis. The third step is selecting or checking the alternatives and selecting the particular alternative tools. It could be your programming language. What programming language I should use? What are the tools? Which are the libraries that I require? So I will inquire onto that. After that, I have to design an application. Then I have to start coding it. After coding it, you need to go for testing it. Once you test it, then you have to go for implementation. Again, implementation, there are different strategies. So which strategy that you are going to implement? So by using that strategy, you need to implement that application in the real world environment. Once you implement it, the last but the never ending step is the maintenance. That is making changes as per the requirements of the organizations. So these are the steps for the learners who are developing a software application under their project report. And these are the steps for the learners who are doing their research study-based project. So I hope that it is very much clear that what are the steps that I have to perform if I am doing a research-based project, and what are the steps that I have to perform if I am developing a software application through my project report or through my academic project. So I hope that it has been clear to all of you. So now, as a learner, I have selected this topic, that is brand equity in select FMCG products in Mumbai city. I have gone through the guidelines. Now I have prepared the project report. Now, what is my next step? That I want to upload it. I want to upload the project report onto the ERP portal. So for that, you need to click onto the browse button. One more time, I am clicking onto the browse button. Click onto the browse button. Locate the file of your project report and click onto the upload button. Once you locate your project report from your local machine, click onto the upload button. So when you click onto the upload button, your project report is successfully uploaded on the ERP portal, and that is confirmed by the above message that your project report has been successfully uploaded on the ERP portal. So now your task is complete here for the moment. For the moment, I have selected my topic. After that, I have read all the guidelines. Again, if you are finding it difficult in writing the report, again, we have given the sample project report. As you could see that, or again, at the top of your right-hand side, a sample project report is been given. Click onto that. It will open a sample project report. So even you can take the reference from the sample project report, that how a project report is been prepared. So this will also give you the idea of how to prepare a project report. So we have given two ways you can go through with the guidelines. And again, by understanding the guidelines, if you have any doubt, you can go to the sample project report, and from that you will take the reference. So now I have completed the project report. I have uploaded it. So now my duty as a learner is complete for time being. For time being, my task is complete. So now it is submitted to the project guide. I will switch on to the project guide window. Okay, just give me a moment. Yeah, stuff. So once you submit your project, it has been displayed in the respective dashboard of the project guide. So here, the project guide will check your project report. Now you can see that the project report of the person who has submitted is been listed in the dashboard of that respective project guide. So now what the project guide will do, the project guide will evaluate your project, and if or she finds your project report complete in all the respect as per the guidelines of the university, as per the chapterization, as per the instructions given in the guidelines, if that particular your project guide finds your project report to be satisfactory, or it is satisfactory, then what he will do, he will give the marks and he will click on to the save marks. That's it. So when the project report is accepted by your project guide, then your task, your project submission task is complete. That's it. You don't need to do anything here. I have submitted my project report, and again it is accepted by the guide. That's it. So your task of project submission is complete. But the thing is that if the project report is rejected, say for example, if it is rejected, so here I'm rejecting the project due to the particular reason that, say for example, the formatting is not proper. So now the guide will send back the project report back to the learner. Now we come back to the learners window, and when I refresh, you could see that your project report is rejected for the reason. What is the reason? The formatting is not proper. Please resubmit your project after implementing the specified changes. So now as a learner, what I will do, I will make the changes, I will incorporate the changes in that particular, in my project report. And after that, again, after making changes, after incorporating the changes, I will resubmit the project report. So again, I will click on to the browse button. I'm just giving the example here. So here I am resubmitting for the second time. Guys, please remember that I am resubmitting my project report for the second time. First time it was rejected by the guide due to some reasons. So after that, I have incorporated the changes suggested by the project guide, and after that I am resubmitting it. So I have to again click on to the upload button. So now you could see that the project is uploaded successfully for the second time. So again, we will come back to the project guide window. Now here the project guide will see your project is again resubmitted after whatever changes that you have suggested. Again, now here the project guide has give a marks and has to has accept the project report. For the third time, the project guide cannot reject it. It means that ultimately, it means that you have only two chances of submitting the project report. Suppose that the project guide has rejected your project by giving five suggestions or five corrections. Now, as a learner, what you have done, I have only incorporated only three changes, and you have submitted it by incorporating only three changes, and two changes somehow you are not incorporated it for some reason. Now it is resubmitted, that you have resubmitted, and it comes to the faculty, that project guide. Project guide will see that I have suggested you I have suggested you five suggestions, corrections, but you have incorporated only three suggestions. You have made only three corrections. So here I have to evaluate as per the corrections that you have made. Because as a faculty, I cannot reject your project report for the second time. So you have only two chances, only two opportunities to upload your project report. So be careful that whenever you are uploading the project report, do take care that all the instructions are being followed, all the guidelines are being followed, and the formatting, page formatting, the sequence of pages, the table of content, everything is been in a proper order as per the guidelines given by the university. So this is about, I have selected the project topic from the given list. After that, I have submitted the project, but somehow due to some reasons it is rejected by the project guide. After that, as a learner, I have corrected the project report, and again I have resubmitted it. Then the project guide will evaluate your project. So this cycle is complete. But now the question is that, suppose I have selected the topic from customized. I have selected my own topic. So in that case, what is the procedure? So I will show you that procedure. So be there in the session. So I will log in as another user. Give me some time, guys. Just for a moment. I'm logging with another user. So now I have logged in as another user. You can see here. Now here I'm showing you how to select a customized topic. So again here you need to click on to the project upload. Okay, this has been again selected a topic. Okay. Yeah. So here now I will show. I'm showing you that how to select a topic that is customized topic. So here I'm clicking on to the type your own title. Type your own title. So here I'm typing the title of my own. So for example, data analysis of XYZ corporation. Click on to the submit for approval. It will ask you for the confirmation that are you sure you want to submit your project title for approval. If you click on yes, then it will proceed. Otherwise, you need to again retype it. So I'm clicking on to the yes. Again, it is asking for the second time confirmation that are you sure you want to select this project title. If I click on yes, then it has been submitted to the project guide. So now it comes to the project guide dashboard. So now in the title, project title management, it will be listed in this is the screen of the guide. So here as a guide, I could see that the learner, that is Syed Adil Rizwan, has again has submitted a customized topic. So here as a faculty, as a guide for this learner, I can approve or I can reject. I can approve or I can reject. If I approve, then the topic along with that learner will be listed in the custom title table here. Otherwise, if I reject, okay, I will reject it. So if I click on to the reject, then it will send back to the learner. So now again, we'll come to the learner's dashboard. Again, now you could see that your project title is rejected. Please resubmit your project title. So here you can, n number of times, you can resubmit your project customized title until the project title is approved by the project guide. Customized topic can be, if it is not approved by the project guide, you can keep on resubmitting it, and the guide, if the guide thinks that this topic is relevant to your domain, he will accept or he will approve it. Otherwise, he will reject it. If he reject it, again, it will come back to your dashboard. Again, you need to resubmit the customized topic. So here I will, one more time, I'm typing the title. Say, for example, data analysis using machine learning algorithm. Just I'm, for the sake of example, I'm giving you guys. So again, it will ask for the confirmation, and again I need to double confirm it as a learner. So now for the second time, I'm selecting the topic, and again it has been given, it has been sent to the project guide. So now the guide again will check that now, yes, now the topic has been changed. So now as a guide, I find that yes, it's approved. It is a relevant topic. It is related to the domain. So now as a guide, I will click on to the approve. So when I click on the approve, you can see that as soon as I click on, you can see the name of that learner is listed in my dashboard under the custom title. So this is the procedure of selecting the custom title and how the topic is been approved by the project guide. So here I have shown you, and after that, what would be the next step for custom title? The next step is uploading your project report as it is, that I have shown you for the institute title. After that, you need to locate the project report file and you have to submit it. If it is accepted by the project guide at the first instance, your project submission task is complete. But if it is rejected with some reasons, it comes back to you. That will be displayed in your dashboard. You need to check your dashboard every time whenever after you submitted the project custom topic or after you submitted the project report. You need to check your dashboard, ERP dashboard, whether the customized topic has been approved by the guide or not, whether the project report has been accepted by the project guide or not. If it is accepted, then your task for project submission is over. But if it is not accepted by the project guide, then it will be reflected in your dashboard with the reasons. And after that, you need to make changes. So now I will show you that if a project report is been submitted by the learner and if it is rejected, then how it should be. So here, as a learner, now I will uploading a project report. Click on to the upload button. It has been uploaded successfully. Now come back it will come back to the faculty. The faculty will check your project report. And if he reject, now I'm clicking on to the reject button. I'm clicking on the reject button, giving some reasons, submit it. It is submitted for the first time. Now it comes back to the project guide. The project guide, you can see that your project report is rejected for the reason so and so. So after making changes, again you need to resubmit it. Click onto the upload button. It goes to the project guide. Now here the project guide has to accept the project as it is, because you can see that here there is no rejection. There is no rejection. So when you submit it for the second time, your project will be accepted in any case. In any case. So this is the whole procedure of selecting a topic from the institute given and uploading your project report, and how to select a customized topic, how to send it for approval, and once it has been approved, then how to upload that project report. So now I will open this forum for you to ask your queries if you have any. Yeah. Any queries, guys? Okay, I will take the questions one by one. Sir, how to select? For PPT, we will show you, we will give you the information that how to upload the PPT. For PPT, you can insert the PPT after the project PDF. That is also possible. After your project report ends, you can attach your PPT as a PDF file. So a project report and the PPT can be uploaded together. Select project title and take your own title option on portal. Only you are allocated for collab. Text is showing. See that, guys, if you are seeing that collab is allocated for you, then this is not a platform for you to upload your project. Your project will be, you have to send your project to the collab. I repeat that The procedure that I'm showing here, this is for the learners for which the internal guide, the faculties are allotted as a guide, not for the learners whose project guide is collab. So if you have applied for collab and if you are assigned collab as a project guide, then you could see the message that you are allotted for collab in your dashboard. So collab learners will not be able to upload the project report through ERP portal. I repeat, collab learners should not, because there is no scope to upload the project report through ERP for collab learners. They have to send their project report to the collab team. Collab team will evaluate and they will send it the evaluation back to us, and the guidance will be given by the collab. The collab, what they will do, they will form the WhatsApp groups as per the domain, as per the specialization, and they will allot the industry mentors for each WhatsApp group, and that industry mentor will conduct these sessions from time to time, Zoom sessions, and they will provide you the guidance on how to proceed with the project or project report. Hello, sir. After the report approval, when we need to send the hard copy and also immediately. Sumod, see that PPT, you have to attach the PPT after the project report. So you have to club it, the project report, after the 70 pages of project report, you have to attach the PPT as a PDF to that project report. So there is no way that you have to send the PPT separately. No, the PPT and the project report should be clubbed together. First, what contains your project report of 70 pages. After 70 pages, you can attach the 10 slides as a PDF to that project report file, and together you have to upload that project report PDF onto the ERP portal. Sir, how many days will get to complete the project? Bindia, we will inform you the date, and again the date will be also displayed in your dashboard. What would be the last date for project submission? All these things that we will make visible in the 1 or 2 days in your dashboard. The last date for completing the project. So don't worry about that. You will get ample amount of time to complete your project. Would there be video recording of this session? Yes, it is available. Video recording is available. We will share the video recordings. Don't worry about that. And again, one more thing that I would like to say here is that I'm going to conduct the project induction, this project demonstration, alternatively on every Saturday, because it may happen that some of the students may not get the time to attend this session. So for those learners, we will conduct the such kind of project inductions on every alternate Saturday. So don't worry about that. Even if you miss this session, even if you have queries that is not solved here, you can still have the chance to attend the next sessions. I do have 2 copies. Last date to submit project. Should we need prepare hard copy? Yes. Satish, just go through the project PDF guidelines, which has been given in your dashboard. See here, in the dashboard, guidelines are given. And in that guidelines, if you carefully read, everything has been given. But the problem with us is that we don't read. We don't read what we want. We want everything ready-made. So everything ready-made is not available. It is not possible. So you have to read. See here, everything has been given in the guidelines. How to select a topic, what are the steps in research process, what are the guidelines for typing the project report, what would be the initial 7 pages, that is certificates, acknowledgement, how it should be written. Everything's been given. including the chapterization. You can see here typing guidelines for MBA project report. You can see here number of copies, project report, PDF 1, physical copy 1. So there is no way that you can only send the soft copy and I have not sent the hard copy. No way. You have to have submit 2 copies, 1 hard copy and 1 soft copy. Once the project is approved from our guide on ERP portal, then only we have to send hard copy, right? Yes. Once you don't see after submitting the project report on the ERP portal, you don't see any rejection from the project guide, it means that your project has been accepted by the project guide successfully. Now you have to prepare the hard copy as per the soft copy, and you have to courier it or send it through speed post to the university. But once it has been accepted, your project report is accepted by the project guide, then only you have to prepare this hard copy. Sir, where can we see the name of the project faculty? Project faculty name, it has been given, it has been notified to you. Rutuja, the name of the project has been notified to you through ERP. Check your mailbox, inbox. Like I said, that the problem with us as a learner is that we don't read, because we are working professionals, isn't it? We don't have time to read the email messages. We don't have a time to read the WhatsApp messages. Then how it is possible to inform every individual? Is it possible? We have 10,000, 12,000 of students for this batch. So it is not possible to call everyone and give the information. So that's why we arrange such kind of induction sessions. We send the emails, we send the WhatsApp messages from time to time. But the thing is that you people do not read. You people do not read. You people do not listen to the recordings. If you do that, I'm telling you that you will not find any problem of preparing the project report and submitting it. If you go through, even after completion of this session, the recording of this session is available. We will share this recording in the WhatsApp group. You have to listen to it carefully. If you have any query, you can write to me. You can contact your mentor. The mentor will help you. I will help you. But your contribution in this endeavor of project report is 90%. Your contribution should be 90%. 10% contribution is of your guide, is of your mentor, and myself as well. But most of the contribution should come from you. It should be from you. So I expect that this time all the project reports will be well formatted and as per the instructions, as per the sequence of documents, as per the guidelines given in the guidelines, project guidelines. So please, I request you to please read that project guidelines. If you read the project guidelines carefully, then I will ensure, I will give you the guarantee that you will not find a single query. You will yourself will do the project seamlessly, easily, complete it, and you can successfully upload it on ERP portal. It means if I am selected one project and this project already selected by another student, so this is acceptable or not? Abhiraj, there is no such case. A single topic can be selected by multiple learners. There is no issue. There is absolutely no issue. Suppose that there are 10 learners and 10 learners are selecting the same topic. It is fine. Their company may be different. They may be handling with different objectives. Their hypothesis is different. So it does not matter that if one topic is selected by multiple learners. Siddharth, what you are asking? Hello, sir. There is different steps in research process for AIML. Can we get those steps? Manoj, are you doing a research-based project, or are you developing the software application? Based on that, I can give you the answer. Manoj, can we cancel collab and use internal? No. No, Prityush, it is not possible. Once you are allotted to collab, no way you can exit collab, no way that you can join collab at this point of time. No way. We have allocated the collab students. They will do their project under collab and rest will do the project under the internal guide. I repeat that no later entry and exit is possible from collab. And again, I repeat that you have only two chances of submitting your project report. Only two chances. So whenever you are submitting the project report, please be mindful, be careful that your project report is completed from all aspects so that you will get good marks. Even if it is self-selected or from the option given, our project will be accepted anyhow in the second time. Yes, correct. Vishal, you are correct. Even if it is self, yes. Only the thing is with the customized project topic. You can send the customized project topics as many number of times. If it is rejected by the project guide, again you have to resubmit the customized topic. Again it is rejected. Again you have to resubmit the customized topic. Again this will continue until the customized project topic is accepted by the project guide. Okay. What else? As per guidelines PDF, there are more than 50 plus project topics, but for selection of project, there are only 38 project mentioned. I could not understand, ask me your question. See that I am just giving the example that on an average, there are 50 plus topics for every domain. It doesn't mean that every domain is having at least 50. I'm just giving the average. Even if it is self-selected, okay, I have answered that. Sir, topic will be given by university or we can select our topic. Priyashi, I have shown you how to select the topic. If you want to select the topic from the university, you can click on to the, you have to click on to the button that is select the topic from the university. And if you want to select your own topic, then click on to the type your own title. I have shown that. So basically, first we need to get the approval for our project topic. Then we have to submit project on AirB portal with a PPT of 10 slides, which will be summary of our project. Correct? Yes, correct. But Gitanjali, there's one correction. The approval for the project topic is only for the customized one. If your topic is customized, I repeat, if you have not taken the topic from the university given list, then only the approval is required. But if you have selected the topic from the given list by the university, then you don't need to take approval from the project guide. You can start working on the project report. You can start working on your project straight away. I am selected for collab. I should select project topic after collab team reach out to us, right? Yes. Yes, Atmaja, you are perfectly correct. They are in the process of creating the WhatsApp group as per the domains, and they will include you as per the domain, and they will allot the industry mentor, and the industry mentor will conduct the Zoom sessions, and in that Zoom sessions, he will guide you that what is your interest, what is your profile, what is your experience, and what is any topic in your mind. So after inquiring all these things, he will suggest some topics. You will select the topics, and after that again, he will guide you. So that is the process for collab. Sir, project upload will be in this sequence: project PDF, project report, or RPT. It is in PDF. PDF file. What is the last date for project submission? We will inform you. The last date will be will be visible in your dashboard, so don't worry about that. How can I know who my project guide is? Shrutika, like I said that, check your inbox, check your mail inbox. The mail from DPU will be given through ERP. So every learner has been notified about their guide. Say for example, I will show you one example of how the information regarding the guide is been notified to the learner. Okay. Can you see the screen here? I hope that my screen is visible. So you can see that here, the learner name and the guide name is here. So this kind of a mail is been given to all the learners with their guide name. So please check your mailbox. So any other questions? Sir, can I change project title in between? No, no way. No way you cannot change. No way. Once you select the project title, you cannot change. You cannot change. I repeat, the title should not be changed at any cost. Sir, project report submit, then how much? What is the deadline? Deadline, we will intimate you, we will inform you through WhatsApp group, through the dashboard as well. Collab will help us in submission of our project report, right? Yes. For Collab people, for Collab learners, Collab will help you. Collab learners, they are not going to submit the project report through ERP. Sir, project report submit, then how much time? Again, I have same questions has been repeated. Yes, Pankaj, if you want to do internship, if you want to do your project on the primary data of a particular company, then certainly you need to visit that company and collect the data. And one more thing that I would like to tell you here is that about the session we are going to conduct the project guidelines or project guidelines session or project guide session every weekend. Okay, for example, we have 15 domains, that is starting with IT, HRM, HAHM, finance, IB. So what we have planned, we will schedule a project session for each of these domains. So for example, first week we schedule the project guide session for HR. The next week we may schedule the project guideline session for the AIML. So the guide from AIML will guide you in detail that how to proceed with AIML project, or if it is a project guide session of HR, the guide from HR will guide you regarding how to do a project, and he will solve your queries in that session as well. So I hope that I have given all the answers to all the questions. Most of the questions are repeated, like the deadline. The deadline will be informed to you very shortly. It will be displayed in your dashboard. And again, you need to submit your project report along with 10 slides of PPT as a PDF, which will be attached along with the project report. So your project report along with the 10 PPT slides as PDF will be uploaded onto the ERP portal from you. Sir, can you explain information technology related project? Okay, I have given Mohini. I have given the information that the session for IT will be conducted soon, and in that project guide from the IT will guide you. Which document needed for project PPT report, other which document should be provided? Prathamesh, I could not understand your query. Which documents needed for project PPT report and other which documents should be provided? Prathamesh, see that the documents that we have specified, the pages that we have specified in the project guidelines, you have to strictly follow those guidelines, and as per the sequence of the pages of the certificates that you have to follow, and only those pages has to be included in your project report. Are sample project available for every subject? No. No, Shah, no. Only we have uploaded only a single sample project only for one subject. Isn't it? It is not possible to provide sample project for every domain. Sir, I selected for collab. So in that case, how to select project topic? Like I said that the collab industry mentor will guide you on how to select the project topic. Sir, for report, we have sample report and guidelines for our support. Do we have any template for PPT or sample? No. See that, Sumod, what should be the PPT? Like I said that the first slide should be your title, your name, your PRN number. The second slide should be the objective, the hypothesis if you have, the objective of your project. The third slide should be giving the information about the data collection. Fourth slide should be giving the information about the data analysis. And the fifth one is the interpretation of the outcome. So in this way, you can prepare the slides. There is no fixed template for preparing the PPT. What is your query, Dr. Shivam? PDF size limit, like I said that it should be having minimum 70 pages. Minimum 70 pages. How much time it requires to get approval? Mahesh, you will get within 1 or 2 days. Sir, can you please confirm how we will get to know whether project is accepted by project guide or not? Could you show the demo? Ravindra, I have shown the demo. If you have selected a customized one, then you need to take the approval. So if it is approved, then you will be intimated that your topic is approved, because that if the topic is approved, then you will see that topic in your dashboard. If the topic is not approved, then you will see the message that I have shown in the initial part of this session, that this project title is not approved by the guide. So you need to resubmit the project title. Again, you have to type the project title, and again you need to resubmit. If it is approved, then you will see the topic name in your dashboard. If it is not approved, then you need to resubmit the topic. I'm talking for the customized one. I repeat that the approval for topic is only for customized topic, not for the topic from the institute. If you have selected the topic from the institute, there is no need to take approval, since all the topics are given by the respective project guides. So approval is necessary, mandatory only for customized project titles. If it is approved by the faculty, by the project guide, you will see that project title in your dashboard. Otherwise, you will see the message that the title is not accepted. So in that way, you can able to understand whether my topic is accepted or rejected. Sir, I'm doing a software-based project, then where do we have to submit the project file of the software? Anjali, you have to make a PDF and Along with your project report, you have to submit it. You have to club. I think you are talking about the coding. So you don't need to submit all the coding part. You have to submit the coding of the important modules only. Important modules only, and rest is the format. That is the sequence of certificates, the content, the table of content. Rest will be the same. Asking for long time. What, Dipali, you're asking? Dipali, can you ask one more time because your questions are being skipped? Sir, are we getting the sample project report? We have uploaded the sample project report. Could you see that? Sample project report in your dashboard. It is there. Is it necessary to work under any organization or internet research is fine for the project work? It depends on you, Dr. Shivam. Whether you want to do a project on primary data or on secondary data. If you want to do a project on primary data, then definitely you have to work under an organization. Otherwise, if you are doing a project on the concept on the secondary data, then there is no need to work under any organization. Depends. Is there any passing criteria for the project? Yes. Riley Jagtap, 40%. So the project report is of 200 marks. So you need to get 40%. We need to send physical copy to the college, which will be the print of our soft copy or PDF file. Project is right. Yes, highly correct. Whatever PDF that you have submitted on through ERP, the same has to be submitted through physical copy. When will be the Viva conducted? We will inform you. So don't worry about the Viva. I do not want to choose. I don't want to choose the topic which I submitted for approval. Why, Yamini? That's why, Yamini, I'm telling you that when you are selecting a topic, you should be very mindful, very careful. That's why it is asking for the double confirmation that do you really select this topic? Because once you select the topic, it is very difficult to change the topic later on. While submitting the own title ERP portal giving error, that internal error, please try later. Okay, that due to the network issues, you might have facing that error. Try after some time. Collab submit our project soft copy, so hard copy student will be format. Yes, hard copy you have to submit even if you are a collab student, but the soft copy has to be submitted through ERP. So sorry, for collab, you don't need to submit your soft copy through ERP for collab, but the hard copy has to be submitted through post or courier for collab learners. Sending the hard copy for collab learners and for the non-collab learners is compulsory. But collab learners should not upload the project PDF on the ERP. They have to send their project report to the collab team. Project can be done in the same company where I'm working. Yes, you can do that. As need company certificate mentioned in the guidelines, it is not compulsory. Like I said, that if you are doing a project on a company, on the primary data of a company, then definitely the answer is yes. Again, the company certificate is having some marks. Can we come to college and give the hard copy as I stay nearby? Yes. Swami, you can do that. How to contact with project guide? You can contact through email. I have selected Collab as my project guide as there is no prior information or email for me that the DPU will provide an internal guide to help us for a project. See that if you have selected the Collab, don't worry, Collab people will get in touch with you very soon. Sir, how will Collab learners will get marks. Your project will be evaluated by the mentor under which you have done the project. So they will evaluate the project. Will the hard copy of the project report also contain the PPT or only the project report? No, the hard copy will contain only the project report. PPT is in the form of soft copy. Once the project guide accept, we can see marks. No, you cannot see the marks. Rishabh Shah, you cannot see the marks. Once it is accepted, that's it. Your task of submitting the project report is complete. Marks will not be shown. Marks will be shown only in your result. Project PDF, PPT in the same PDF should be added. Yes. And it should also do courier. No, PPT, there is no requirement to send PPT. Only project report hard copy. PPT of your project report, PDF of your project report, and the PPT of 10 slides as a PDF should be clubbed together, and that is uploaded as a single file onto the ERP portal as a project report file. Hard copy should be spiral bounded or should be attached in the file. Hard copy, I have said that, Ritik, please read the project guidelines. Everything has been given in that, but you don't read because we are working professionals. We don't have time to read, isn't it? You want all the answers, all your questions to be answered by the mentor and by the project guide. It is not possible. It is not possible. We have given each and everything, I repeat, each and everything in the project guidelines, and the project guidelines has been uploaded in your dashboard, as you could see here. Guidelines. Just go through it. If you read it now, then definitely all your questions are solved. You don't need to ask a single question to your project guide. If you read the project guidelines and if you go through the sample project report. So I think I have answered all the queries. All the other queries, they are simply repeated. Sir, dear sir, it is necessary to do project in company. Okay, I have answered it. Okay. Okay, still if you have any queries regarding on how to select a project topic and how to select a customized topic and how to upload the project report, please contact your mentor, or even you can write a mail to me. I will help you out. And again, I said that we will going to conduct such a session, such a induction sessions every alternate week, so that the learners who have missed today's session, they will be able to attend the next session. And we are also going to schedule the project guidelines for each and every domain in every coming weeks, wherein the particular specialization project guide will help you in doing your project and will guide you, will answer your queries regarding, like, say, for example, if I'm from IT, then one session will be arranged, project guide session will be arranged for me. For me means what? For all the IT learners, where we could ask our queries to the project, to the IT project guide, and he will guide. So in such a way, the project guideline sessions or guide sessions will be arranged for every domain on alternate weeks. We will schedule and we will inform you about the project guide session through WhatsApp and through the announcement group. So please do check your emails, do check the messages in your WhatsApp group. So with this, I would like to conclude the session here. Thank you very much, everyone, for attending the session. Sir, please answer. What is the question that you want to ask? What is the primary data and what is the secondary data? See that I think Aminesh, primary data is the data that you have, that you collected, isn't it? That yourself you have collected, primary data. And secondary data is the one that is already available on social media platforms, in journals, in various news, in the ledgers. So secondary data is a ready-made data, whereas primary data is the data that you yourself has collected, that you have collected, isn't it? So that is the difference between primary data and secondary data. Sir, before uploading the project final report, no, Itisha, yeah, no, do not send your project report on mail. Do not send it, because if you send it through mail, then we could not give you the guarantee that it is going to be evaluated by the project guide. You have to send your project report through only ERP portal. So with this, I would like to conclude this session here, and I hope that the demonstration that I have given here on how to select a project topic, how to upload the project report, how to select a customized topic, everything, all your queries regarding this is very much clear. So thank you very much, everyone, for joining this session. See you in the next sessions. Until then, have a great day. Thank you very much.